Children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video, we are going to continue our sixth lesson. So, what is our sixth lesson? Yes, it is air. Okay, yes, let us continue the lesson. Okay, so here in the page number 79 up to 78, we have completed. So, from 79, we will continue now. So, we should match by drawing lines. Here some pictures and some sentences are there about air. We should match. Okay, yes. So in the first picture, that girl is blowing the balloon. So, and in the second picture, that waiting some balloon, it seems. Yes, no, children? Yes. And in the third picture, that lady is giving fire to stove. Yes, no? Yes, stove burning with the help of air. Okay. So here in the right side we can see some sentences. Air helps things burn. Air occupies space. Air has waited. For the first picture, which one we need to match, children? Yes. Air occupies space. When you give or blow a balloon, so it will differ the size. It will from small to big. Yes, no? Yes. Okay, in the for second picture, we need to match air has weight. Even air has its own weight. Yes, no? You can observe in the picture. So two balloons are there. One is in one balloon air is there. So in one balloon air is not there. So how they will look? Okay, so you can observe air has its own weight. And in the third picture, air helps things burn. Okay, so that lady is cooking with the help of stove. So she is blowing to the stove and she get fire. So air helps things to burn. Okay, you'll know more about the use of wind energy in the okay, amazing energy we have learnt already. Moving air is called wind. Yes, no, children? Yes, moving air is called wind. Wind has enormous energy. Isn't it, children? Wind has enormous energy. Yes. What do you learn from these incidents? So, we said wind has enormous energy. So, moving air is called wind. So, how the wind has enormous energy? How we will say, children? For example, roofs of houses are carried away by strong winds. When sometimes strong winds will come, roofs of houses are carried away. It will fly away, isn't it? Yes. So next example is while walking on street, sometimes we feel the wind pushing us. Yes, no. When strong winds will be there means, so we feel like someone is pushing us. Yes, no. Yes. And clothes hung out to dry will flutter when the wind blows. Daily we will see in our houses if strong wind is there means clothes hung out to dry. Okay, we will hang out our clothes to dry outside. So wind comes means they will cloth will flutter when the wind blows. Yes, no? Yes. Okay, so these are from this from these actions we can say wind has enormous energy, isn't it? Yes. So even we can observe moving air is called wind. So okay, so these are the some examples. Next, a vehicle cannot move if the air inside the tire comes out. So if you are going somewhere in your vehicle means, so if the air comes out from the your vehicle tire, so your vehicle cannot move. So we all observed, we know this, isn't it? Yes, if air is not there in the tire means vehicle will not move. Coconut trees swing in strong winds. Even we have observed even the coconut trees also swing in strong winds. Kite fly up in the sky. So this one we know, kites fly up in the sky when wind will be there, isn't it? Yes. Air is polluted by some smoke released by factories, automobiles, burning of substance and crackers. Isn't it, children? Yes. So when smoke released by factories. You can observe the pictures. Automobiles means from vehicles, burning of substance. When we will burn something in our area, like what garbage or waste, we will burn near to our house. So what it will happen, the air will pollute. Okay, yes, and when will burst crackers also. So, mixing chemicals, dust, microorganisms which are harmful to man and other organisms into air is called air pollution. So, we are telling when air is polluted by smoke, factories, automobiles, burning of substances, the air will pollute. So, what is that air pollution? So, it is mixing chemicals, dust, microorganisms which are harmful to man and other organisms into air is called air pollution. Okay, yes. Air gets polluted when chemicals and microparticles of smoke from industries and vehicles mix up with it. It causes serious health issues. So when from the smoke from automobiles, or else we will burn something outside means, so air will pollute. So what it will do, it cause serious health issues. So what type of serious health issues, children? Like heart disease, okay, and cancer, breathing problems, etc. So air pollution causes very what serious health issues like diseases like heart disease, cancer, breathing problem, etc. So it has negative impact on growth of plants and their yield. So even it will affect to plants and their yields. Okay, yes. Some animals races may get extinct since all organisms need air. So all the living beings need air. Without air, living beings cannot live, isn't it, children? Yes. So it is necessary to prevent air pollution. So if we take polluted air inside means what very we will get health issues like disease, cancer, etc. Yes, no. So it is our duty and it is necessary so to prevent air pollution. Yes, no. Yes. So we must take measures to stop air pollution. So write any two measures to prevent air pollution. So we can see here in the know this column, we can see many prevention of air pollution. Preventing the mixture up of chemical waste discharged by factories with air. Installing tall chimneys in factories so that the smoke can be released at a higher altitude. So installing chimneys also, it is also one of the prevention of air pollution. Using gaseous fuel instead of coal, diesel and petrol, etc. So instead of gaseous fuel, instead of coal, we can use gaseous fuel. Okay, or else from our vehicle smokes will come and air will pollute. Yes, no. So instead of coal, we can use gaseous fuel. Design uh, Designing emission control system. Okay, yes, to this is regarding vehicles emission control system. We should what we should do emission control system to our vehicles. Using public transport. Using alternative energy sources like solar energy, hydroelectric power energy, and wind power. So we can use to prevent air pollution, we can use energy sources like solar energy, wind power, hydroelectric energy. So avoiding burning of substances near civilians area. So in our neighborhood or in our locality, usually we will burn some garbages or waste or paper something. So if we avoid means we can keep our air clean. Okay, these are some prevention of air pollutions. Okay. So, in the following pair of pictures, identify the right and wrong one, keeping in view the concept of air pollution, and write the reason. Here, with these pictures, we can observe and we need to write what right and wrong, keeping in view the concept of air pollution, and write. We should write the reasons here. Okay, so according to first picture, So in the first picture, bike riding and cycle in the next right side. The bike riding is not right, but the cycling is right. Why? Because cycling is not give air pollution, isn't it? Yes, because it is not consume fuel. Okay, but bike will run by fuel only. Yes, no? It gives smoke. It leaves smoke. So air will pollute. So the bike riding is not right. Yes. So in the second picture, the waste burning is not right, but the waste collecting is right. So we should not burn the waste. We should give the waste to the people will come to collect the waste, no, to them. Okay, when waste burns in the fire, it causes air pollution. Again, smoke will come and air get polluted. Okay, so in the third picture, the electric train is right, but coal engine train is not right. Why, children? Because it consumes fuel and it gives air pollution. You can see in the picture. Yes, no? Yes. Okay. So children, I hope you understood this lesson, air lesson. So if you get any doubts, you can ask me in the group, children. Okay, now the time for homework. First you should read the lesson and do the working page in the textbook. And one more thing is there, it's very interesting, children. Do this experiment and take the picture or video. You can take both. Picture, you are convenient, you can take picture or video. Okay, and do this and send it to me in the group. So what is the experiment? Air has weight. So the experiment name is air has weight. So what you should do, take two balloons of the same size and mark them as A and B and blow them to equal size. Tie these balloons to end of the meter scale. Usually you will have scale, no, or else you can take a hanger. Okay, yes. Move the balloons along the scale to balance the scale. Slowly allow the air from balloon A, okay, to escape. Okay, and the scale becomes imbalanced when the air is released from the balloon A. You can observe the picture. And the side of the scale with balloon B goes down. This shows air has weight. Isn't it, children? Okay, so you do this experiment and take the picture and send it me in the group. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. Thank you.